Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a house with cash. First, understand that a cash offer often makes your bid more attractive to sellers, potentially leading to a faster closing process. Next, ensure all your funds are readily accessible, perhaps in a single account, to demonstrate financial readiness. Finally, begin gathering essential documents like bank statements and identification. Once your finances are in order, find a real estate agent who specializes in cash transactions. They can help you craft a competitive offer. Your offer should include proof of funds, such as a bank statement or a letter from your financial institution, to assure the seller of your capability. Be prepared to negotiate on price and terms, as cash offers often provide leverage. Even with a cash offer, it's crucial to perform due diligence. Arrange for a professional home inspection to uncover any potential issues and consider an appraisal to confirm the property's value. Carefully review all legal documents, including the purchase agreement and title report, with your agent or attorney. The closing process for cash deals is typically faster, often within 1 to 3 weeks. Congratulations on your new home. After closing, focus on securing your property and transferring utilities into your name. While not always required for cash purchases, obtaining homeowners insurance is highly recommended to protect your investment from unforeseen events. Remember, owning your home outright means no mortgage payments, saving you thousands of dollars in interest over time. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.